blue. And this is leaking. Hi there, blockheads. Alright. And there they go. That's overflowing. I'm just gonna come over here and pass on this stuff. The rest of that. Alright. Oops, I dropped something. Hat. Anyways, hey ducks. Hey girl. Two boys, two males and a female. Not what we wanted, but oh well. We're hoping for all females or one male and two females. But got two males instead, which is even worse. Because now the males will fight each other. The girls are coming. It's been so long since it was bright in here. Look at that little egg. How cute. Of course, they left over there. Our girls were so excited for water yesterday. Yeah. There we go. What you doing, girl? These girls are just glad to have some water. And we're just happy to have their eggs. I'll show you how many egg cartons we have here in a second. I'll cut back to you guys when I'm for each 12 eggs. And we're here. It's a little bit blurry, but be alright. And we have eggs. We definitely have eggs. A lot of them. And yep, we have even more eggs right here. We got a pheasant egg, which is this small one. And we also have a black cormorant egg, which is this one. And then I think that the rest of them are rainbow layers, or like chickens that lay different colored eggs other than like the normal like light like white eggs and like darker colored eggs. But yeah, we have a lot of eggs, and some of them are fertile, some of them are not. It doesn't really matter. We're still getting chickens and probably a pheasant. It is now day 11 of hatching. So 7 more days until that pheasant hatches, then 10 more days until all of the chicken egg hatch. All those chicken eggs hatch. I'm excited. I really am. That's all. For now, at least. See ya later.